He's not done with what he started. He's not done until it's good. So let him turn it in your favor. Watch him work it for your good. Yeah. 'Cause he's not done with what he started. He's not done until it's good. So hello peace, hello joy, hello love, hello strength, hello hope. It's a new horizon. Hello peace, hello joy, hello love, hello strength, hello hope. It's a new horizon. If you're ready for a breakthrough, you can open up and just receive. What he's pouring out is nothing you ever seen. You ever seen. Hello, hello, hello peace, hello joy, hello love, hello strength, hello hope. It's a new horizon. Hello peace, hello joy, hello love, hello strength, hello hope. It's a new horizon. You see it, see it. You see it, see it. The sun is rising, can you see it? Fear is not my future, you are. Sickness is not my story, you are. You are, you are, you are. Heartbreak's not my home, you are. You are, you are. Death is not the end, Jesus, you are. You are. Fear is not my future, you are. You are. Sickness is not my story. It won't be your story. You are. You are. Heartbreak is not my home. Heartbreak's not my home. You are. You are. You are. Death is not. Death is not. Jesus, you are. You are. You are. You are. Hello peace, hello joy, hello love. It's a new day. Hello strength, hello hope. It's a new horizon. These mercies are new. Hello peace, hello joy, hello love.
Hey guys, what's up? Yahash, we're here with Simple Keys. Welcome back to another video. So in this lesson, we're going to learn how to play Fear's Not My Home. And this song's got one of my boys in it, and I thought this would be a great song to share with you guys. So we're going to go ahead and dive right into this. This song's fairly simple. It only has around 3 sections, and I'm going to walk you through all 3. So let's dive right in. We are in the key of E flat major for this one. So E flats are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that will bring us back to the top. Now, as always, if you want to learn how to play in all 12 keys, I do have a guide you can download over at the site. It's going to walk you through all the 12 major and minor keys. It will be important for you to learn how to play in all 12 keys to truly master music. So go ahead and check out that guide. I'll walk you through all the 12 major and minor keys and show you how to memorize them, how to play them, how to find them, and how to use them in your playing. So go ahead and check that out. And if you also want to find out how I'm able to pick up so many of these songs within a few minutes, I do have a program called Master the Piano, where I take you through the entire music learning process from scratch. So I take you through the fundamentals, we go over chords, progressions, and how to break down songs. So you will be able to find that over at the site. We have the digital guides, and we also have a video course as well. So go ahead and check that out if you want to learn more about how to truly master music and how I'm able to pick up a lot of these songs within a few minutes. All right, so let's dive right into this. So this song only has around 3 sections. It has an intro, a verse, which are essentially the same movements. It has a chorus and a bridge. So if we can break it down into 3 sections, the intro and the verse share similar movement. The chorus is another movement, and then the third part, which is the bridge, is another movement. So just 3 sections. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. The intro starts off like this. All right, so let's start with that. Now, this movement is going to be used for the intro and for the verse, and this is going to lead us into the chorus. Now, this is a very simple movement. We're going to be playing pretty much just a 1 chord. So an E flat octave here, and then we're going to have this lead line that's going to take us from a B flat, C, and a D, while holding the E flat. So everything is just on the 1. So the 1 is going to hold the tone of the song, and the right hand is going to play the lead notes. So it's going to play a little bit slower. Very simple. So left hand is just playing the bass, E flat, and then you're just going to be pulsing. And this is just trying to emulate a guitar, because when you are strumming, it does kind of create this strumming feel. So and another way to think about this is that you're moving from a 5th interval, 6th, 7th interval. That's pretty much the only thing that's changing, but we're still playing the 1 tone in our left hand, and our right hand is just playing a B flat, C, and D. So
hello peace, hello joy, hello love.